Ayun po, parang, syempre, thank you. Kasi, thank you for not giving up on us. Kasi sa training po talaga, may time na parang matigas talaga, may timer. Parang matigas po talaga yung ulo namin. At parang may pluses and minuses po kami sa training. And thankful lang din kasi kay Doc na hindi siya nag-give up sa amin. Behind sa panalo po or behind sa improvement namin, siya po talaga yun. Kasi hindi siya nag-give up sa amin.
For Cassidy and North Coach, before the season started, you lost to Jedi Italy. Then early on, you also lost Coach Jerry. The things are happening. But what's the biggest aim for the UP volleyball program that you're taking for the rest of your or for the coming seasons?
What's the biggest, sorry, can you
The biggest aim for the UP volleyball program after this campaign?
after this campaign? I'll start. Sorry. Okay. So first, that it's a big show of effort that UE can move. I think Angelica. Okay, Angge mentioned it that and Cassie, despite the disappointing losses, we still did something good, and there is a big accomplishment. So we're gonna take this as a springboard to get us into the preseason that's coming up and the UAP season 87. Along with, besides the momentum, along with the players that are coming in, we have some players that are coming in. We have, you guys mentioned Guerrero getting hurt. We have Guerrero coming back. We have some Cal players that are coming in also, and then other recruits from the south and other areas. So we look forward to continuing the effort and work toward an even better success. If I may, I forgot to mention the volleyball community at large. That means all the fans. For every one negative comment about UE, there's like 10, 15, 20 positive things. Whether they're from the South, whether they're from UP, our neighbors of FEU, nice positive comments. From all the other schools. We appreciate UST. We appreciate the volleyball community helping us. In terms of the mindset of the girls and supporting us, both out here and in social media. So we appreciate all those fans out there that are just enjoying volleyball. Thank you.
Ayun nga po, parang sabi ni Doc, ito yung parang
Set the tone.
this season. So parang next season po, ayun nga, sabi niyo po, knowing na nawala po, na-injured po si Jalay. Pinatay po si na-injured po si Jalay before season. So, ayun, parang excited sa comeback niya next season. And also, ayun nga yung sabi ni Doc, yung mga recruits, kung ano man po yung nangyari this season, next season, babaguhin na po namin and we will do more pa. Of course, yun nga, para with the help of the management also. Yung parang hindi ko po nung helping you is, ayun nga, parang sabi ko before, nung una pa lang, parang kung iisipin mo lang, going to UP is a big challenge talaga. Kasi, ayun nga, parang, syempre tinitingnan din namin yung standing ng mga schools before kami pumasok sa isang university. Tapos, nakita po namin ng UP na parang nasa 7, 8 na sila, ganun. So, para sa akin, challenge siya na pumunta ka sa isang school na ganun yung standing. So, ayun, parang masaya naman kasi nabago naman namin. And looking forward sa improvement, kasi this season naka 6 days kami. And looking forward sa season 87 with the help of others naman, new recruit, the management of course, sa walang sawang suporta sa amin. We're looking forward sa ibang standing naman po next season.